Hey folks, Alan here again from LearnKoreanFast.com, and in this video we're going to talk about try, right? So in Korean there are different words we can use for try, but the most common one we get is see, right? So what we're going to do is we have the verb stem. We use the verb stem plus 보다, which is see, right? So it's kind of like I'll try, I'll look, right? So we can use that for lots of different kinds of things, right? So we can use for try something. Here, please try to eat something, right? So we could use 먹다, right? So 먹다, we use the verb stem 먹, right? And 먹어, right? So 먹어 보세요. Please try this, right? So please try this. 먹어보세요. So 먹어보세요, right? So we could say, maybe you're trying on some clothes. 입다, to try on, right? Put on, to put on clothes. 입다, right? So we have verb stem, right? So verb stem and right? So 입다. So 입어보세요, right? 입어보세요, right? So we have 하다, tries to do something, right? This 해다, right? Right, so we're going to convert that, right? So instead of right, it's just kind of ha, right? So 해, 보다, 해보세요, right? So please try to do something. 말해보세요. Try to say this. 말하다, right? So 공부해보세요. Try to study, right? So a very, very useful thing for us to be able to do is instead of saying I did something or I will do something is I will try, right? So 해보다, try to do something. 먹어보다, try to eat something, right? So 입어보다, try on something, right? So I hope that helps you and that you can put that to use right away in your Korean conversation practice, right? Thanks a lot for watching my videos. I really appreciate everyone that does that. So if you haven't done already, hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, click like, share with your friends, leave a question or a comment if you've got that below. Also in the description below there are links to books at Amazon, and I really appreciate people going there and checking them out and buying my books. Doing that really helps me out because it gives me more time for making videos like this for you. Right? 다음에 뵙시다.